Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Huyana Beauty. So today I'm going to do a nail tutorial video, step by step, of how to apply shellac or gel polish.
Amber's picked out a mustard today, very 60s, very amazing. So the first step is to file the nails. You obviously want to make sure you do this before you apply your shellac, as this obviously is going to prep them all ready to paint. It's really hard when you're doing your own nails as well to do your other hand, so try and make sure that you kind of like rest them maybe on a table or even on your knee when you're trying to shape the other hand, because otherwise when you come to the end they can look a bit wonky. The next step is to get a cuticle pusher. Most people have these at home. If you don't have a cuticle pusher, maybe like an orange stick or something, or you can order these off eBay. You don't have to have anything expensive, but they are really good to have at home. And yeah, so you're going to give those cuticles a good push, make sure all the cuticle is off the nail plate. This is also going to make sure you have a really nice smooth surface to paint on, and you won't get any lifting either if you make sure it's all off the nail. If you leave your cuticles on there, you're going to get your shellac or your gel polish lifting a lot quicker. So with some cuticle cutters or cuticle nippers, you're going to go around and you're going to nip all that excess cuticle away. Be careful not to go too close to the skin, but obviously make sure you get rid of all that bit that has lifted. Now using a nail buffer, you're just going to gently glide over the nails and get rid of all the shine off the nail plate. So I'm using a nail grit of 100 to 180. So this bit's actually quite an important bit. So when you prep the nails ready for varnish, you need to make sure you're using the right prep solution. So the gel bottle requires an acetone prep. So you have to make sure you're using the right one for the right brand. Some require alcohol, some require acetone. Okay, so now after you Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my step-by-step gel polish application tutorial. If you have any questions, then please leave a comment below and like and subscribe to show my channel some support. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.